The transformation of Spotify Camp Nou is now entering a phase where progress is clearly visible across the entire structure. What once felt gradual is now accelerating, with key elements coming together at the same time. In this update, we go inside the stadium to break down the latest developments and see how the final vision is starting to become reality. The compression ring remains one of the most important structural features. 8 segments are already installed, with no new additions since the last update, suggesting a short pause in lifting operations. From inside, radial beams and connection points are clearly visible, marking where the main cable system will be integrated. Nearby, large components are already staged, indicating that once work resumes, progress here will accelerate quickly. Before we move on, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more updates. The decorative facade is advancing steadily, especially across the lateral sections and corner zones near the south goal. Some areas are nearing completion, while others have mounting systems ready. The curved, wave-like design is now clearly visible, giving a strong preview of the stadium's final architectural identity. Inside the stadium, circulation areas are becoming more defined. Walkways, access routes, and open spaces are now clearly structured, making it easier to understand how spectators will move during match days. The internal layout feels more connected and functional with each update. The tribuna area is also progressing, with preparation underway for new commercial spaces. The future club store location is already defined, while the current structure will be removed later. Support systems for decorative ceiling panels are also being installed, signaling an upcoming visual transformation. The third tier is now close to completion and stands out as one of the most advanced parts of the project. Most structural elements are in place, with only a few remaining pieces missing. From inside, the scale of the expansion is already clear, significantly increasing capacity. Progress continues in the tunnel and locker room areas. The tunnel includes transparent sections for VIP viewing, while the locker rooms are being fitted with organized player stations and integrated screens, creating a modern setup. In the corner and lateral zones, work continues steadily, with teams operating on elevated platforms. Panels are being installed, while materials are constantly transported across levels. In the north goal area, activity is focused on preparation. No new decorative panels have been installed yet, but work is ongoing in the upper sections, where beams and connection points are being aligned. Standing inside Spotify Camp Nou, you can feel the scale, the vision, and the legacy behind every detail. This is where football meets the future. If you enjoyed exploring it with us, don't forget to like and subscribe for more stadium content.